Damn, I missed it. Welcome everybody. I'm Ayato 666. I was trying to capture the name. It looks like Hoop Hoo. UES Contact Light Delivery and Transportation Service. I am Ayato 666, and we're doing a 15-minute look at Risk of Rain today. Cargo Hold 1. I've heard good things. It does not look that impressive. But we'll check it out for 15 minutes and see. I've heard so many good things. Holy shit. So many good things about it. What is that? God damn. What the fuck is going on? Okay. Wow. This is like 100 megabytes. Gigantic game. I doubt you will have the space on your minuscule hard drive space. Fucking. Oh wow. It was only 50%. Jesus. Damage numbers on. Why would you want those off? Yeah, some people don't like a HUD. I don't mind a HUD. How big the head fog. Alright, let's check it out. As you can see, online, local. That is awfully loud. I think we are not gonna fuck with that, dude. Yeah, we're gonna probably do about that. Yeah, please. That is way too goddamn loud. Characterized long-range mobility effective with a tactical dive. Will grant increased survivability when suppressive. I can only pick him anyways. Change Drizzle. Reduces difficulty for players new to the game. Weeping and gnashing is replaced by laughter and tickles. What the fuck? The way the game is meant to be played. Every bend introduces pain and horrors of the planet. You will die. Alright, let's check out Rainstorm, which is basically going to be Monsoon for me, because I know nothing of this game. What's up? Why didn't you do what I said? Oh, I don't know. Was it loading? What happened? How do I play? Oh, Jesus. Real simple. Real simple controls. Apparently we have an, do we have ammo? I do see that difficulty scroller. I know the longer you're on this planet, the more it's gonna scroll up and go through each difficulty. You have that many goddamn difficulties? Alright, we leveled up. I don't know what I'm doing. How do I jump? Oh. Oh, there was fall damage. Fuck. Wow. What the hell is this? I have to purchase a chest? What? Oh, it's an enemy. I didn't know what the fuck it was. What the hell? Oh, fuck it. How am I supposed to... Jesus Christ. Oh, they're fucking me up, man. Wow. I don't know what I'm doing. You really fucked up, dick. Can I, like, not do that? No, go back to the menu. Fuck that. Go back to easy. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Don't even know what I'm really aiming to do here. Dried Lake. I know it's got some random generating stuff to it, but it's also procedural. Alright, we'll take care of these fucks. Excuse me. Jesus, man, you are weak as fuck. It's weak as fucking slow as shit, dude. I'm just chilling here. I don't care. Like, what the fuck? Oh, there's a... This was not in the screen to teach me how to play. So this is one of those games that teaches you nothing and laughs at your failures. Okay. I didn't even check. Hopefully there's no goddamn watermark. I should be fucking checking every game. Didn't think Ratchet and Clank would do that. Even AAA are doing this shit. What? How's that not? I guess that's just a beam. I thought it was a climby. It's not a climby. What is this? If I can hold it, I don't have to rapidly tap it like an asshole. Okay. I don't really understand what I'm doing. There's nowhere to go, and you can't double jump. Oh, there's crit. Is there anything for me to work with? Like triangle, circle, X. L2 does whatever the fuck that was. R1 makes him do that. And it's like a shotgun blast, I guess. Oh, okay, okay. Ah, it has a cooldown. Oh shit! Okay, so there's a good bit of options to me. Pretty damn sweet. This reminds me, what the hell is that Indian game? Shit, it's a fucking awesome game, too. Last Man Standing? Last Man? Fucking awesome game, made in India. This game is so fun. Wow, this is cool as shit. It may look silly, but it's fun, dude. Jesus Christ, it's brutal though. Fuck off! Cool off already, you fuck. This is easy? Jesus Christ! Obviously didn't want to do that. What the fuck am I doing? I'm trying to fucking stay alive. Fucking get out of here. God damn, that was easy? That was less than easy. I'm scared. What the fuck is this game? What am I doing? I can't go anywhere, right? I'm just chilling on this thing till I die? I don't understand the... I can't... There's a ladder, right? I'm so sorry to anybody who's been fucking shouting that. This is like Minecraft, so kiss my ass. The graphics take a little bit to get used to. They're not bad, but they're definitely stylistic. It takes a while to go, oh, that's what that is. At least in my brain. I thought the guy was joking. This music is fucking phenomenal. Get fucked. What the fuck sound was that? Oh shit! Can I do... No, obviously that wouldn't make any sense if I get L1 and R2 at the same time. Is that enough for fall damage? I don't want to risk it. I want to go up here. Take my chances. This be another game we could randomly just play the shit out of. Check it out. I don't know. They say when you get further along, man, it's just so addicting. Holy shit! Alright, these guys are assholes. Alright, we got whatever. I don't know what they are. I could buy... I can't get back up there, can I? Are you... What is this? Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Wow, this probably looks so crappy, but I'm telling you, check it out. What in the hell is that? Give me it. Barbed wire hurts nearby enemies. Alright. Stay here and pick them off. Oh shit, he can fly. Oh, he can't. Thought he could like hover over, but he can't. Ah. What's this? Poo-poo, that's the name of the... Gain another jump. I only had one? I thought I had two. Goddamn tower of guns. How do I attack him? Jeez, this is giving me like Terraria feels, Minecraft feels. That chest. Oh shit! Fucking shit! Yeah, you stay right there, buddy. Oh, good, he can't jump. Thought he could jump. Can I shoot down or anything? No. Only one direction. Okay. Shit. They're smart. God damn. Oh shit, I think I could do that. Fuck off. How much harder can this get? Obviously, well, look at that. Jesus Christ. Okay. Do this, and then just... Wow, there must be a lot of strategies and tricks to this game that I'm not going to know for a while. Touchpad activated a mouse-like feature. Okay. Wait, I'm rapidly healing outside of combat. Holy shit, you attack it, it's like, I'll kill you! God damn. Wow, I could definitely see this being real addicting. I don't know how it is to watch though, but definitely play-wise, wow. Wait, I didn't get this either, did I? It's hard to tell where you've been. Oh, yep. Hey, let's wait. Jesus Christ! This game is not like you. Oh my god! I don't know what the hell those things are. Oh. Fuck! You can't even fire on the wires at all. I don't even know how I'm still alive. I'm actually surprised. Unlocks all chests and vision. What the fuck? Oh, so that's the moiter thing. The moiter. Gotta go over here. Yeah, if you guys are interested, we might do this as a playthrough, or get as far as we can, but not face cam. I got enough face cam projects going for a while. Nice. Lizard bait trophy earned. See, I'm not doing bad. Yeah. I meant to turn around. Bright eyes. Every now and then I fall apart. Offer a chance. Alright, yeah, let's see if we can get it. Good God, I don't really understand what the goal is, though. That's my only question, but I guess I'll learn. I know there's bosses and shit. Fuck off. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna have to sound check the shit out of this game. I didn't think the music was this dominating. Oh shit. Macho trophy earned. I'm Ayato 666. This has been a 15-minute look at Risk of Rain. Let me know if you guys enjoyed in the comments below, please. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. I'm fucking terrified. I'm just gonna give a chill right here. Wow, I'm hooked. Thanks for watching. I'm not gonna lie. I was not expecting anything, dude. Like, I looked this up. I watched Total Biscuit play a little bit of it. I'm like, what the fuck? He loves this game. It looks so boring. Play it. Give it a try. Please, this is one of those games that defies description. You have to play it to understand what's so fun about it. Normally, when I finish a 15-minute look, even if it's good and I'm into it, I stop playing. I'm going to at least finish this fucking run. I'm fucking hooked to this. I could definitely see the one more addiction. Just one more go. Oh my god. If I even get... I'm going to set a precedence, okay? 5 likes. You put 5 likes on this video. We will start this as a series. I'm not going to play it. I just want to finish this one run. I'm going to give this some time. I'm trying to set goals for the channel so we can expand, we can do things within limitations, you know, within reason. But I appreciate everybody that's watching. Thank you for the positive feedback. Everybody. And negative. I love all. I love hearing what you guys have to say. I definitely want to learn more. Like, there's so many great games out there, and that's what I love about YouTube. We can communicate with each other. You can go, hey, you like that game? Check this game out. And it opens up this new world of just amazing gameplay and fun times and random memories with cool ass people. And I hope you guys get that's what this channel is about. And I can't wait to see you in the next 15-minute look at. But I can't recommend this enough. Get it. Let me know if you liked it. If you didn't, let me know. Maybe you can open me up to a new genre that I might like better. And then I might look back and not like this. That's gaming. But we're in this moment in time. I love this game. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Later.